Here's step 2, intervals in a major scale. Let's start with treble clef. Let's do the C major scale. I want to look at every note in the scale in relationship to the starting note. So, from C to C is a unison, or a 1. From C to D is a second. From C to E is a third. From C to F is a fourth. C, D, E, F. From C to G, C, D, E, F, G is a 5. From C to A, C, D, E, F, G, A is a 6. From C to B is a 7. And from C to C is an octave. These numbers are what we're calling the quantity. And now we're going to add the quality to these intervals. And what we have is a perfect unison, major second, major third, perfect fourth, perfect fifth, major sixth, major seventh, perfect octave. Okay, so there are 2 different kinds of intervals. There are perfect intervals in a major scale, and those are 1, 4, 5, and 8. So unison, fourth, fifth, and octave. And then there are major intervals in the major scale. Second, third, sixth, and seventh. It's a simple concept. If you start on the first note of a major scale, the distance from the first note of the scale to every other note of the scale is either perfect or major, depending on if it's a unison, fourth, fifth, or octave, it'll be perfect. If it's a second, third, sixth, or seventh, it will be major. That's all for this video. In the next one, I'll show you how you can use this to come up with and identify any perfect or major intervals using key signatures.